This is Sam. Sam is 10 years old. He lives in a small house with his mother and father. His family is not rich, but they are happy. Sam has a simple bedroom. He has a bed, a desk, and some books. He does not have a computer or video games, but he has a loving family. One day, a new student arrives at school. His name is David. David comes from a wealthy family. Wealthy means having a lot of money. David has everything: expensive clothes, the newest phone. He talks about his big house and swimming pool. All the students gather around him. Sam looks at David's expensive things. Then he looks at his own old backpack. For the first time, Sam feels sad. Sam goes home feeling unhappy. He looks at his small house. He sees the old furniture. He feels angry. At dinner, Sam complains. He says, "Mom, why don't we have a big house? Why don't we have a car? Why can't you buy me a new phone?" His mother looks sad. She says, "We work hard to give you what you need. We may not have expensive things, but we have love." Sam does not listen. He goes to his room angry. The next week, the class visits a children's hospital. They bring toys to sick children. Sam sees children lying in hospital beds. Some cannot walk. Some look very weak. One little girl named Maria sits in a wheelchair. She cannot go to school. She lives in the hospital. When Sam gives Maria a small teddy bear, she smiles big. She hugs it tight. She says, "This is the best gift ever. Thank you so much." Sam is shocked. This simple bear makes her so happy. But he has many toys at home that he never uses. Sam asks Maria, "Are you happy here?" Maria nods. She says, "Sometimes I feel sad, but I am happy I can see my family. I'm happy the doctors help me. I try to find good things every day." Sam's heart breaks. Maria has so little, but she finds reasons to be happy. Sam has so much, but he only complains. Sam thinks about his life. He can walk, he can play, he has a home, he has food, he has parents who love him. Tears fill his eyes. He feels grateful for the first time. Sam returns home that evening. He sees his small house differently now. He sees the warm lights. He smells his mother's cooking. He hears his father's laugh. Sam runs to his mother. He hugs her tight. He says, "Mom, I am so sorry. Thank you for everything. I love our home. I love our family." His mother cries happy tears. She hugs him back. That night, Sam writes a list called "Things I Am Grateful For." My health, my family, my home, my school, food on my table, the ability to walk and play. He puts the list on his wall. He reads it every morning. The next day, Sam sees David showing off again. Other students look amazed, but Sam does not feel jealous anymore. He smiles and walks away. Sam learned something important. Having expensive things does not make you happy. Being grateful for what you have makes you happy. From that day on, Sam complains less. He smiles more. He tells his parents thank you every day. Sam becomes the happiest boy in his class, not because he has the most, but because he appreciates what he has. Remember, happiness comes from being grateful for what you already have. Look around you. Count your blessings. You have more than you think.